Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw Nissan GT-R R34 step by step. Start by sketching the car's basic profile with light pencil strokes, focusing on overall proportions and the aggressive stance. Block in wheel positions and roofline, then refine the hood and fenders. Add the distinct front grille and round headlight shapes. Work from large to small details, erasing guides and progressively darkening lines until the car reads clearly and balanced on the page. Now refine key features like the grille, headlights, and bumper with confident strokes that match the car's character. Use reference angles to place the round headlight clusters and narrow grille accurately. Define the hood vents and side skirts with subtle lines, then outline wheel arches and rims, keeping the perspective consistent. Shade underbody and panel gaps lightly to suggest depth, and step back often to adjust symmetry and proportions regularly. Quick recommendation: if you found this sketching process helpful, please subscribe and like to really support more tutorials. Also, bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, a handy studio snack solution between drawing sessions. It's a small way to keep your drawing flow going between breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and share this video with fellow artists who might enjoy it. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on wheels, tires, and subtle reflections to make the sketch pop. Render tire treads lightly and define rim spokes, keeping consistent vanishing points. Use hatching and soft blending to suggest curved surfaces and metallic paint, adding highlights where light hits. Revisit door lines, mirrors, and the rear spoiler, ensuring proportions remain true. Clean up stray marks, darken final outlines, and sign your work confidently. Share your progress with friends and ask for feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.